Hello friend, welcome to my Japanese language class. Today we will learn lesson 22 or Dai Niju Nika. In this lesson we are going to learn how to modify a noun by a sentence. Before we learn modify a noun by a word, before we learn this way that we modify the noun Sato san no chukui. Okay, chukui is a noun. Chisai chukui, kirei na chukui. Okay. When noun modified by a sentence, please look at here. Suppose hito is a noun. Narae iku hito. Narae ika nai hito. Narae itta hito. Narae ikana khatta hito. Okay. Iku, ikanai, itta, ikana khatta. All are plain form. So when we modify a noun by a sentence, that sentence make in plain form. Okay. Look at some other sentence. Sega takakute. Mega oki hito. Shin sechude kirei na hito. Gojusai no hito. When we modify a noun by a na-adjective sentence, that da change to na, and in noun da change to no. So here it is kirei na and here is gojusai no. Okay? Hope you understand. Next learn, when a sentence modify a noun, what is the changes comes in the sentence. Okay? Please look at it. Watashi wa kino eiga wo mimashita. Watashi ga kino mita eiga. Eiga takes wa particle here. Next, watashi wa ashita tomodachi ni aimasu. Watashi ga ashita au tomodachi wa. Next, Sato-san wa keiki o chukurimashita. Sato-san ga chukutta keiki wa. Karina-san wa e o kaimashita. Karina-san ga ta e wa. Okay, but here watashi wa particle. But when we a sentence modify a noun, subject wa change to ga. Eiga became the topic of the sentence. It takes wa. Watashi ga kino mita eiga wa omoshiro katta desu. Next, watashi wa ashita tomodachi ni aimasu. Here watashi wa particle, so watashi subject or topic of the sentence, but when it modified noun tomodachi, wa change to ga. So watashi ga ashita au tomodachi wa nihonjin desu. Next, Sato-san wa keiki o chukurimashita. Here Sato-san is topic of the sentence, so it takes wa particle. But when this sentence modify a noun keiki, Sato-san wa change to Sato-san ga. So Sato-san ga chukutta keiki wa. Sato-san ga chukutta keiki wa tabetai desu. Karina-san wa e o kaimashita. Here Karina-san is topic of the sentence, so it takes wa particle. But when this sentence modified noun, it became Karina-san ga changed to ga particle. A became the topic of the sentence, so it takes wa particle. Okay? Hope you understand. When a sentence modify a noun, the topic of the sentence wa particle changed to ga particle. Okay, hope you understand how to modify a noun by a sentence. Next learn how many sentences we can form when a sentence modify noun. Okay, let's learn. Kore wa Sato-san ga sunde ita uchi desu. Sato-san ga sunde ita uchi wa kirei desu. Okay, these are the things we already learned before. When that sentence modify a noun, that subject take ga particle and that noun take wa particle. Okay, next. Sato-san ga sunde ita uchi o kaimashita. This type of sentence also we can make when the noun modified by a sentence. O particle can be go with the noun. Next. Sato-san ga sunde ita uchi ga suki desu. Ga. You know, suki, kirai, joju, heta, all are take noun ga. Suki desu, noun ga, kirai desu, noun ga, heta desu, noun ga, joju desu. We already learned in our previous lesson. So, Sato-san ga sunde ita uchi. Here uchi modified by Sato-san ga sunde ita. It also can take ga particle. Next, Sato-san ga sunde ita uchi ni neko ga imashita. Uchi, a noun which one modified by this sentence, also take ni particle. Okay. Next noun. Sato-san ga sunde ita uchi e itta koto ga arimasu. So, uchi, which one modified by the sentence, a particle can use here. So, you learn, including this pattern, we also can form this type of sentence when modify a noun by a sentence. Okay? When a noun modified by a sentence, after the noun, o particle, ga particle, ni particle, a particle can be used. Okay, along with this wa particle. Okay, hope you understand the grammar form of lesson 22. If there is any questions, please comment in my video. I will get back to you soon. Thank you for watching my class. Sayonara.